If you're looking to streamline client reporting with SuiteDash, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use SuiteDash to simplify client reporting and save you time. But stick around until the end because I'll also introduce you to some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs, with exclusive trials you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive right into it. First off, SuiteDash is a powerful platform designed to manage all aspects of client communication and reporting. The key feature that really stands out is its ability to centralize your client data, so you're not juggling different tools to get the job done. Next thing, one of the best ways to streamline client reporting with SuiteDash is through its customizable client portals. These portals allow your clients to access their reports and data in real time. You can create reports that are tailored to each client's needs, and they can view everything at their convenience. No more emailing PDF reports or spending time on calls to explain the numbers. SuiteDash automates that process, making everything more efficient. The third thing you'll want to take advantage of is SuiteDash's automated task management. By using the task system, you can set reminders for specific reporting deadlines or send automatic updates when a report is ready. This is especially helpful for keeping clients in the loop without you having to manually track each task. It's a huge time saver and eliminates the risk of missing important deadlines. Another feature that's worth noting is SuiteDash's built-in CRM. This means that you don't need to switch between your client relationship management tool and your reporting tool. Everything is integrated, which streamlines your workflow even further. By tracking client interactions and feedback within the same system, you can create reports that truly reflect your client's needs. Now, let's talk about the downside. SuiteDash is robust, but it can be a bit overwhelming for new users, especially if you're not tech-savvy. The interface, while customizable, isn't the most intuitive and might require some time to learn. Also, for smaller businesses or freelancers, it could be a bit of an overkill. SuiteDash's pricing structure can also get expensive if you're just looking for simple client reporting tools. The fourth thing I want to mention is the integration capabilities. SuiteDash connects with a range of third-party applications, but the setup can sometimes be complicated. For example, integrating with tools like Zapier or Google Analytics might require a bit of tech know-how to get the full benefits. It's definitely not as plug-and-play as some other alternatives out there. So, while SuiteDash is powerful for automating and streamlining client reporting, there are some better alternatives that might be more user-friendly and cost-effective depending on your business size. Stick around till the end, and I'll share with you some of the top alternatives that can help you achieve your goals even more efficiently. Finally, if you want to get started with SuiteDash, I've got some good news for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash, plus some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. But as I mentioned earlier, there are also great alternatives out there, and I'll be linking those below as well, each with a free trial. These might be a better fit for your client reporting needs, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links in the description for your exclusive trial and to explore all the options that will help you streamline your client reporting.